First, I'll demonstrate using Gemini. As usual, create the video you want, then download it. Here, I'll import it into DaVinci Resolve for testing with a new video. To get the last frame of the video, you can open Chrome and search for Video Frame Extractor by MixiLab. Link is in the description. I've tried other online tools, but their results aren't as accurate. Simply upload the video you downloaded earlier, drag the timeline to the last frame, then click the camera icon and download the image. Second option is to use installed software. In this case, I'm using DaVinci Resolve. Just move the playhead to the last frame, open the Color tab below, right-click and choose Grab Still. Then open the Gallery tab, select the image, right-click again and choose Export. Once you have the last frame, you're ready to create the video. The result is pretty good, although there are slight differences compared to the new video. You can improve it by adding effects that reduce those differences. Don't use the default photo editor from Windows, because the extracted frame result is not accurate. I've also tried several online tools to capture the last frame of a video, and the results weren't accurate either. The tool I'm showing you here is the one that gives the most accurate result based on the final frame in DaVinci Resolve. Both are accurate. The photo on the right is not actually the last frame, unlike in DaVinci Resolve. This is what happens when you don't use the last frame. The frame difference becomes very noticeable in the video. Next, if you're using Flow, open your project or click to create a new one if you haven't already. Enter your prompt. I'll choose the video on the right, click Add to Scene. Drag the playhead to the last frame of the clip, then click Save Frame as Asset. Enter the prompt as you wish. Click Scene Builder, and boom! The video is ready. And in A's an extra tip, you don't always have to use the last frame as a reference for the next video. You can instead choose a frame where the object is still. This helps minimize differences in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.